Yo, what's up, guy? Welcome back again. Welcome back to Podcast with 44 Can't Say. Podcast with 44 CS and Vibes is 44 CS. I'm your host, Carlo, today, and today we back again, my nigga. Yeah, so I bought this one from my friend's brand. It looks nice, man. Yeah, you can all go purchase from their brand also. I'll give you the brand's name later. I can even tell you that this one is also for my brand. Yeah, so this is for my brand also. Unreleased shit. We'll be bringing it to you very soon. It's also unreleased. We get you all in it. So yeah, today we here. I'm about to tell you that we all started clothing brand like printing on the only black t-shirt and white t-shirt and a hoodie. So one, this is how you have to do. Learn how to make clothes. Learn how to create clothes. Learn how to design your own clothes. That is one. And this is the one that I'm going to explain to you. You should know how to create your own clothes. Like learn how to create clothes before, because you can't just be doing only t-shirt or plain t-shirts and be putting your logo on it. You understand? Like you be putting this CS44 can say here. That's all. You get your own, like let's say, oh, I got my own t-shirt here, yellow, then you put your logo on here. That's all. Then you print out to give it a good a big price to sell to people. No, bro. Learn how to make clothes, learn how to design, learn how to change things from clothes and design and make it yours. Imagine you buy a plain t-shirt, they have already designed it, making it all black or white. You do not do anything in it. You just put your logo and let's say a small picture in it, and that's all you print out. But learn how to design, like something like this. I design. I did it so myself. I designed it. I have the mock-up, the sketch here. Let me show you. Yeah, I have the sketch here, and I designed this one on my own without without like finding it on social media or online to just put my logo on it. Nah, what is this thing? I got a mock-up. I got a mock-up because I watched through the mock-up. This is what I watched to create this. Just say yes. So this is how the mock-up was. And with this mock-up, I use it to do about 3, 4, 5 designs. That's one. This one is on release. I've never even sent to any manufacturer before. I did it myself. Yeah, this is the back. So as I was saying, this one plain black t-shirt, you just put name in your logo. Learn how to create your own shit, bruh. Learn how to create your own t-shirt. Even if it's a t-shirt like this, learn how to change things in it. Like this one. Yes, like this one. This one was just a normal t-shirt. It was a sketch t-shirt. And I designed it by adding this one's cutting here, making like, okay, let me make it 3 colors, off white and of black and the black. So this is how I made it. White here, black here, and a black here, and there's also white here. So you see how it is. So learn how to create and learn how to make your own clothes than always to be like t-shirts, plain t-shirts, you put your logo on it or any design on it, then you print out to sell it out. It's good though, that's how you start it. We all start the same thing, but as we go on, you feel me, you have to just improve in it so that you'll be different also, because there is a time for everything. Maybe let's say you are doing a community t-shirt for your brand. That's maybe that you are going to do it, like you are going to just gift it to your brand, your audience when they buy, when they purchase. Like let's say you are releasing it You are releasing this, but yeah, you want to add some t-shirt to them to like to show how much you love them. That one is different. Like that's one you can put just put your logo here and there's some writings at the back and just add it to the order they purchase to send it to them. That is simple. But if you want to sell it differently, you can just do this thing. Normal designs like this one. I got a sketch. This one is a button shirt. I designed it recently. I got a shirt that's sample like this sketch. I put my paint and everything. I paint it. I do everything myself. I created it because yes, I want it to look unique. That if somebody see this design, you know that oh, this design is from 44 Kante. You understand? So learn how to create your own thing. Learn how to make clothes. Don't be copying the same thing. Hoodie, t-shirt, tracksuit, like tracksuit raw without doing anything. This one is a denim jeans, and there was a sketch. There wasn't any pocket here, and this pocket was short, so I decided to make it long. And this is the end. This is how I started it. I added one pocket here. I added one big pocket to the small one to make it more long. And you see how it is. I'm not done. I'm not complete with this design. I ain't done with this one. I will continue. But I have to relax my mind before I continue this thing. Or else I'll go and do shit. You feel me? Yeah. So learn how to create. And you see the same sketch that I sent to you. I show you. I use it to create this Brazil jersey. It's look fire, right? I'll lie. Learn how to create so that people who see your design will be like, yeah, bro, this guy ain't joking, man. You understand? You are out there to prove something. You're out there to bring out something. Though you've seen it before, but you're improving it. That's how we do it. So this is the front and this is the back. You see how cool it is? You've seen some before, but this kind look different to your eye. You understand? You've seen the same type of design like this before, but this one will look different to your eye because there's some small thing in it you've never seen on that. Oh shit. You feel me? Yeah, so it's like that. So learn how to create, learn how to make clothes, learn how to design clothes, learn how to make your own clothes. You feel me? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be done. Making the one way thing. You get your plain. I was doing it. Yeah, you get your plain hoodie, t-shirts mock up. You put your logo here and your name down. You put something at the back. Yeah, we started like this, but we've learned that yeah, we need to create it sometimes. Yeah, we need to create it some like this one. This one is track shoes for female ladies. So there's not here, right? Yeah, I did this one. So that was the final week. I tried to do something at the down here. I'm not done. I still need to finish up with the app and put my name on there. Or else I won't just put any name on there. I'll just use my tag. Yeah, inside. That's all. Nothing. I'll just bring out this one and the inside will be my tag. That's all. Without any name on it. Sometimes it's supposed to be like that. It shouldn't be always you put your name on the t-shirt to make it like yeah, it's yours. Though it's yours, but let the tag also speak for you. Yeah, that's real thing that I'm telling you. Let the tag also speak for you. Or the hoodie, this side, you should to change it and make it metal, and the metal too, they should put your name on it. Your brand name like this one. I put my brand name on it. You understand? So it's also speaks a lot for you in the brand journey. So yeah, it's like that. It is what it is. Like I make a tracksuit offer for my motherland. Yeah, sorry. I make a tracksuit offer for my motherland. You feel me? Yeah, this is how I do it. You understand? So it's like that, bro. Learn how to create, learn how to make clothes, learn how to design them, and make it yours than always be copy others. Like we're doing t-shirts, hoodie, tracksuit, top and down without any changing nothing in it. Like learn how to design, learn how to create things, make it yours and forever. Put your name on it. You can just design the t-shirt without putting your name on it. You just use the tag here and put your name on the tag. That's all, man. Yeah, so bro, we all appreciate your works and those things, but learn how to create sometimes also. That also make your journey too lovely, and you won't struggle too much when you get to some times. Maybe you don't know, but now if you start doing it when you get to some time, it will be easy for you to create. Simple. Yeah, so yeah, that's all I have for you today. So this is your boy Carlo, and there's a vibes with 44 CS podcast with 44 can't say. You know what? Peace out. Love you.